Hi guys, I'm just doing a testimonial on Stacey's fermenting course. So I joined because I wanted to learn how to make kombucha, which I've now learned how to do. This is going to be my second batch. I've not made that yet, so I've only done one batch. I made it with frozen raspberries to flavour it. Me and my husband and my 2-year-old have a little bit every morning. She calls it her spicy water, so she's enjoying it. We've also made the coconut kefir, which we've got in the fridge as well, which again we've been having in the mornings. The course has been great. You can ask any questions at any time. If Stace doesn't answer them, someone on the group will actually get through and answer your questions, doesn't matter how daft they are, which is perfect. It saves you Googling and trying to look in how to do things. It just makes it super simple, and I definitely recommend the course to other people. So hopefully we'll see you on the course soon. Thank you.